took the Kia in for a recall, and they said it was time to do spark plugs. They wanted to charge me, I think, $326 to change out the spark plugs. So I said, well, I'll do it myself. So we're going to change out the spark plugs, and we're also going to replace the coils. And that way we'll have a set of coils in case we ever need them. They're not bad, but it's got 108,000 miles on it. So let's change those out too.
I guess you're looking at it upside down, Teddy. That's a oil cap. And yes, now I do. Thanks for the help.
Okay, it looks like these are held in by a 10 millimeter. So we'll pop that on there and see if we can't undo these little jokers here. Well, I never. Okay, so this goes out. I might have to look this up on YouTube. Who knows? Oh well. That looks like that. I guess I got lucky. So you just pop these two things out here, push down on the middle. Hear a pop, and it just lets go. Well, look at there. I don't know why it just took off. Well, I shouldn't have. Oh well. That's what happens when you get old. You can't see what you're doing. I knew that wasn't right when I started. See if I can find where the last one is. Oh, there it is. It's hiding on me. Okay. Let's see what these look like. If they look like they're the same. It looks pretty close to me. The magnet's no longer working on the spark plug socket, so I'm taking a little USB cord that has a little magnet on the end, and we'll remove them that way. Yeah, that was simple. There's some buildup on there, not too awful bad. Nothing there actually looks really like brand new. Not awful bad. Burning pretty clean. No oil. We're good. Okay, now let's see if it cranks up after doing all that. Okay, 108,910 miles. Pretty good. Let's see what this little oil sticker up here says. Or can we even read it? 1,803.64. I guess we need to do an oil change too. Oh my. I bet Teddy will make sure I do that right too. Alrighty. I hope you are loving the real world. So come back and see us. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.